Guys, you won't believe what my friend surprised me with. It's the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean cordless handheld vacuum. Let me tell you, it's a game changer. This baby has a 16V max lithium-ion battery. The suction power is out of this world. Say goodbye to dirt and debris. It works on carpets, car interiors and furniture, even pet hair. It's your new best friend for high traffic areas. Lightweight and cordless? Yes please. Perfect for those tight, hard to reach spots. Clean will be your middle name. Just kidding. Trust me, get yours now. It's more reliable than your ex.